Welcome to our comprehensive guide on MongoDB. In this video, we'll explore the fundamentals of MongoDB, a popular NoSQL database that's widely used for modern applications. Whether you're a developer, data enthusiast, or just curious about databases, this series will help you understand what makes MongoDB unique and why it's become a go-to choice for many organizations. We'll start by introducing the core concepts, then dive into practical examples and best practices. Let's embark on this journey to unlock the power of MongoDB together. MongoDB is an open-source, document-oriented database designed for scalability and flexibility. Unlike traditional relational databases, MongoDB stores data in JSON-like documents, making it easier to work with complex and varied data structures. This approach allows developers to build applications faster and adapt to changing requirements without the need for rigid schemas. Its architecture is built for high performance, making it suitable for everything from small projects to large-scale enterprise solutions. NoSQL stands for not only SQL. It refers to a broad class of databases that move beyond the traditional table-based structure of relational databases. NoSQL databases like MongoDB are designed to handle large volumes of unstructured or semi-structured data, offering greater flexibility and scalability. This makes them ideal for modern web and mobile applications, where data formats can change rapidly and need to scale horizontally across many servers. Document-oriented model means that data is stored in flexible JSON-like documents. Each document can have its own unique structure, allowing you to store complex data types and nested information. This flexibility is a major advantage over rigid table-based systems, as it lets you evolve your data model as your application grows. Documents are grouped into collections, which are similar to tables in relational databases but without strict schema. MongoDB data is organized into collections and documents. A collection is a group of related documents, and each document is a set of key-value pairs. Unlike rows in a relational database, documents in a collection can have different fields and structures. This means you can store diverse types of information together, making MongoDB highly adaptable for various use cases, from user profiles to product catalogs. MongoDB is chosen by many developers for its flexibility, scalability, and ease of use. Its schemaless design allows for rapid development and iteration, while its ability to handle large volumes of data makes it suitable for big data applications. MongoDB also integrates well with modern programming languages and frameworks, making it a versatile option for a wide range of projects. MongoDB offers a rich set of features that make it stand out among NoSQL databases. These include flexible schema design, powerful querying capabilities, horizontal scaling through sharding, and built-in replication for high availability. Additionally, MongoDB provides robust security features and comprehensive tools for monitoring and management, ensuring your data remains safe and accessible. One of MongoDB's key strengths is its flexible schema design. Unlike relational databases that require predefined schemas, MongoDB lets you store documents with varying structures in the same collection. This means you can easily add new fields or change data formats as your application evolves, without the need for complex migrations or downtime. MongoDB provides a powerful and expressive query language that allows you to retrieve and manipulate data efficiently. You can perform complex queries using a combination of filters, projections, and aggregation pipelines. This flexibility enables developers to extract meaningful insights from their data, supporting advanced analytics and reporting needs. To handle massive datasets and high traffic, MongoDB supports horizontal scaling through a process called sharding. Sharding distributes data across multiple servers or shards, allowing your database to grow seamlessly as your application scales. This approach ensures high performance and availability, even as your user base expands. MongoDB uses replication to ensure data availability and reliability. By creating multiple copies of your data across different servers, MongoDB protects against hardware failures and ensures your application remains online. Replica sets automatically handle failover, so if one server goes down, another can take over without interruption. Security is a top priority for MongoDB. The database offers robust authentication, authorization, and encryption features to protect your data. You can control access at the database, collection, and document levels, ensuring only authorized users can view or modify sensitive information. Encryption at rest and in transit further safeguards your data from unauthorized access. MongoDB's data model is built around documents and collections. Each document is a JSON-like object which can contain nested arrays and objects. Collections group related documents together, allowing for efficient organization and retrieval. This model supports a wide range of data types and structures, making MongoDB suitable for diverse applications. MongoDB stores data internally using BSON, a binary representation of JSON. BSON supports additional data types such as dates and binary data which are not available in standard JSON. This allows MongoDB to efficiently store and process complex data structures while maintaining compatibility with JSON-based tools and applications. CRUD stands for Create, Read, Update, and Delete, the four basic operations you can perform on data in MongoDB. These operations are performed using simple and intuitive commands, making it easy to manage your data. Whether you're adding new documents, retrieving existing ones, updating fields, or removing data, MongoDB provides efficient methods for each task. Adding new data to MongoDB is straightforward. You can insert single or multiple documents into a collection using the Insert One or Insert Many commands. Each document can have its own structure, allowing you to store a variety of data types without worrying about schema constraints. This flexibility speeds up development and adapts to changing requirements. Retrieving data from MongoDB is done using powerful query operators. You can search for documents that match specific criteria, filter results, and even sort or limit the output. This query language supports a wide range of operators, making it easy to find exactly what you need, whether you're searching by field values, ranges, or patterns. Updating data in MongoDB is flexible and efficient. You can modify specific fields within a document, add new fields, or even replace entire documents. The update one and update many commands let you target individual or multiple documents, while update operators provide fine-grained control over how data is changed. Removing data from MongoDB is just as simple as adding it. You can delete individual documents or entire collections using the delete one and delete many commands. MongoDB ensures that deletions are efficient and safe, helping you manage your data lifecycle effectively. Indexes are crucial for optimizing query performance in MongoDB. By creating indexes on frequently queried fields, you can speed up data retrieval and improve application responsiveness. MongoDB supports a variety of index types, including single-field, compound, and text indexes, giving you flexibility to optimize your queries. MongoDB's aggregation framework allows you to process and analyze data within the database. Using aggregation pipelines, you can filter, group, and transform data to generate reports and insights. This powerful feature supports complex analytics without the need to export data to external tools. MongoDB supports full-text search, allowing you to search for words and phrases within your documents. By creating text indexes, you can enable efficient and flexible search functionality, making it easy to build applications with advanced search features. MongoDB offers robust support for geospatial data and queries. You can store location data and perform queries to find documents within a certain distance or area. This is especially useful for applications like mapping, delivery services, and location-based recommendations. MongoDB supports multi-document transactions, allowing you to execute multiple operations as a single, atomic unit. This ensures data consistency and integrity, even in complex applications. Transactions are especially important for financial, e-commerce, and other critical systems where data accuracy is paramount. MongoDB provides data validation rules to ensure the integrity of your data. You can define validation criteria at the collection level, specifying required fields, data types, and value ranges. This helps prevent invalid data from being inserted, maintaining the quality and reliability of your database. Designing an effective schema is crucial for performance and scalability. MongoDB encourages embedding related data within documents when possible, reducing the need for joins. However, referencing can be used for large or frequently changing data. Understanding your application's access patterns will help you choose the right approach. In MongoDB, you can embed related data within a single document or reference it in another collection. Embedding is efficient for data that is frequently accessed together, while referencing is better for large or unrelated data. Choosing the right strategy depends on your application's needs and data relationships. Let's look at a practical example of data modeling in MongoDB. Suppose you're building a blog platform. You might store each blog post as a document, embedding comments within the post document for quick access. Alternatively, you could store comments in a separate collection and reference them from the post. This flexibility allows you to optimize for your application's specific needs. MongoDB supports arrays as a native data type, allowing you to store lists of values within a document. You can query, update, and manipulate array elements using specialized operators. This makes it easy to model relationships and store complex data structures efficiently. To start using MongoDB, you'll need to connect your application to the database. MongoDB provides official drivers for popular programming languages like Python, JavaScript, Java, and more. These drivers make it easy to interact with your database, perform CRUD operations, and manage connections securely. MongoDB Atlas is the fully managed cloud service for MongoDB. It handles deployment, scaling, backups, and monitoring so you can focus on building your application. Atlas supports multiple cloud providers and offers advanced security and performance features, making it a great choice for production environments. Setting up a MongoDB cluster in Atlas is straightforward. You can choose your cloud provider, region, and cluster size, then deploy with just a few clicks. Atlas automatically configures replication and backups, ensuring your data is safe and highly available from the start. MongoDB Atlas provides comprehensive monitoring and alerting tools. You can track performance metrics, set up custom alerts, and receive notifications about potential issues. This helps you maintain optimal performance and quickly address any problems that arise. Data protection is critical, and MongoDB Atlas offers automated backup and restore features. You can schedule regular backups, restore data to any point in time, and ensure business continuity in case of accidental deletions or failures. These features give you peace of mind and protect your valuable data. As your application grows, MongoDB makes it easy to scale your database. You can add more storage, increase cluster size, or enable sharding to distribute data across multiple servers. This ensures your database can handle increased traffic and data volume without compromising performance. MongoDB supports role-based access control (RBAC), allowing you to define roles and permissions for users. This ensures that only authorized individuals can access or modify sensitive data, enhancing security and compliance with organizational policies. For organizations with strict compliance requirements, MongoDB offers auditing features that track database activity. You can monitor who accessed or modified data, ensuring accountability and supporting regulatory compliance. These tools are essential for industries like finance and healthcare. MongoDB integrates seamlessly with a wide range of applications and frameworks. Whether you're building web, mobile, or IoT solutions, MongoDB's drivers and APIs make it easy to connect and interact with your data. This flexibility supports rapid development and innovation. MongoDB is used in a variety of industries and applications. Common use cases include content management systems, real-time analytics, IoT platforms, mobile apps, and e-commerce sites. Its flexibility and scalability make it a preferred choice for projects that require rapid iteration and handling of diverse data types. MongoDB has a vibrant community and a rich ecosystem of tools, libraries, and resources. From official documentation to community forums and third-party integrations, you'll find plenty of support to help you succeed with MongoDB. This active ecosystem accelerates learning and problem-solving. There are many resources available to help you learn MongoDB, including official tutorials, online courses, books, and community forums. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, these resources can guide you through best practices, advanced features, and real-world use cases. While MongoDB is powerful, there are common pitfalls to watch out for. These include improper schema design, lack of indexing, and ignoring security best practices. By understanding these challenges and following recommended guidelines, you can avoid performance and security issues in your projects. To get the most out of MongoDB, follow best practices such as designing efficient schemas, using appropriate indexes, securing your database, and monitoring performance. Regularly review and update your setup as your application evolves to ensure optimal results. MongoDB continues to evolve, with new features and improvements being added regularly. As data needs grow and technology advances, MongoDB is well-positioned to remain a leading choice for developers and organizations worldwide. Staying updated with the latest releases will help you leverage its full potential. Congratulations on reaching the end of our MongoDB Basics Guide. We've covered the essential concepts, features, and best practices to help you get started with MongoDB. As you continue your journey, explore more advanced topics and experiment with real-world projects. Flexibility and power are at your fingertips. Happy coding.